So this is a napkin underneath the microscope. Napkin that you would get at McDonald's, of course, so you can see all the individual fibers on there. So now let's put a French fry into that mix. Oh, the tiny little salt flakes that they put on. And how crystallized it is. Move back a little bit. That's an interesting piece. See if we could get any closer to the salt crystal there. And that is a French fry underneath the microscope. We just got this set up, so we're having fun looking at stuff. And then she got bored. So much for that. Look at that. Isn't it interesting? I like that. That's so cool. Sorry, the nerd in me is like, I want to see that a little bit better. We could get that going. Oh, there's another one that came up. Look at those. That is so cool. Wow. What a trip. And that's a French fry under a microscope.